Hello there, welcome to our channel login once again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Fortnite account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, on your computer, first open your preferred browser. I have already opened the Google Chrome, as you can see, and click on the search bar over here and type in Fortnite.com like this. But it will open to the epicgames.com. And now to sign into your Fortnite account, you will need to click over here, and after that you can sign in to your Fortnite account with any of these, with Epic Games account itself, or Facebook, Gmail, Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo, Steam, or your Apple ID, or you can just sign up for your Fortnite account right over here. And when you click on the sign up now to log into your Fortnite account, let's go with Epic Games and enter your email and password over here to sign into or log into your Fortnite account, which you registered at the time of creating your Epic Games account. And there guys, this is how you log into your Epic Games account and or Fortnite account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.